we just start off the stream with something great, and that is
Powered by AORUS.
Yeah, it is. So we have here a nice full red and black system. Let's see if we can maybe get a zoom in on that. There we go.
You know what? You know what vibes I'm getting off this one? Black and red. Sith.
Oh, you're thinking Sith?
Thinking
the
Sith.
dark side?
Just because Obi-Wan ended. Speaking of Disney Plus
Oh,
shows,
Disney
Obi-Wan
Plus shows, yeah.
ended like a week ago or something.
Back to our amazing build here. So thank you so much.
Sith vibes.
Yeah, he's giving us total Sith vibes. Zooming in here, sitting up with that chibi. I love it. Great little decoration you have in here. Full red and black. AORUS GPU sitting in the slot, looking good. It looks great.
That's it for this one. Let's see what we got here.
Oh, Justin.
Our buddy.
Yeah, Roby. Oh my God, I love Roby. Roby's such a great guy. Full on AORUS themed, and it looks absolutely. This is Iron Man.
Ah, I can see that. Superior Iron Man.
This is Superior Iron Man, full on. Back to the Marvel talk.
Yeah,
we can't get away from it.
Right.
This looks futuristic. This looks something like
it does. I like that the case has that little, it's not fully, it's not a full
square
right angle at the front there.
Yes.
You know? Yeah, it's a beautiful build. As B Parks says, it's sexy, it's sleek, it's beautiful.
Oh my God, it's so good. It's way in the future. Next we got Marcus. Oh my God! Wait, no.
Did you select?
No, I didn't.
You don't select Power by AORUS?
I don't do that anymore. That's
check beforehand, or does Mia just put
Mia copies it, finds them, and puts them in here. This is all Mia.
Because to be honest, this also kind of gives me.
Oh, this is Rebels. This is like Jedi.
Yeah, you know, the white, the blue. Right?
Yeah.
And then look at this.
And then right
we
away,
got an actual Star Wars build here. Look at that.
We don't plan this.
This is a beautiful build.
We're not that professional. We're not that level professional. We plan this all out. This just happens. Oh, it's great. Oh yeah, look at this.
By Marcus Fewings.
Great job, Marcus. He's even got the Vader bust
Vader
in the
bust,
back.
Yeah.
I don't know this case in particular though. It might be a custom. I feel like I have seen this one before for some reason.
I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. He's got the red and black RGB.
Repping our mouse, repping that wallpaper. I can't tell if it's maybe for our own monitor or not, but regardless, I love it, buddy.
See that there? He's got a little TIE, looks like a TIE fighter or something in the back.
Yeah, yes.
I love his wallpaper. May the AORUS be with you. Always.
Oh my God.
That is, we gotta get that and
we
put
gotta
it
get
on
that. Oh, great job, Marcus. Beautiful build. Honestly, this looks absolutely incredible. Thank you so much, Marcus. Thank you so much for everyone who submitted their builds.